Hello everyone, welcome to Vidyan. This is the session on general knowledge. Today we will be discussing the question paper of 2017. Okay. Before moving on to the session, please like, share and subscribe the channel. For further notification, please press the bell icon button. Okay. Let us move on to the session. First question is, in which year WTO came into existence? In which year WTO came into existence? Options are A. 1980, B. 2000, C. 2006, D. 1995. So the answer is 1995. So it came into existence on January 1st, 1995. Okay. So what is WTO? That is World Trade Organization. Okay. So it is the intergovernmental organization which regulates the international trade. Okay. So headquarters is in Geneva. It is in Switzerland. Okay. So remember this, WTO came into existence on January 1st, 1995. Okay. Headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. Next question. The former name of State Bank of India is? The former name of State Bank of India is? A. Central Bank of India, B. People's Bank of India, C. United Bank of India, D. Imperial Bank of India. So what is the former name of State Bank of India? That is Imperial Bank of India. Okay. So it came into existence on when? 27th January 1921. So SBI before called as Imperial Bank of India. Okay. So after 1st July 1955 it is called as State Bank of India. Okay. So it is the 49th largest bank in the world. Okay. SBI is the 49th largest bank in the world. Okay. And headquarters is in where? Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay. Remember this. This is important question. So former name of State Bank is Imperial Bank of India. It was established on 27 Jan 1921. So after 1st July 1955, it is renamed as the State Bank of India and it is the 49th largest bank of world. Okay, bank in the world. Okay, next one. The artist who started his career as a painter is A. Satish Gujral, B. Ganesh Paine, C. M.F. Hussain, D. Ravi Verma. So first we will see these all four are painters. Okay. So Ganesh Paine. So Ganesh Paine is a painter. So he started his career as the book illustrator. Okay. He was a painter, but he started his career as the book illustrator. Then Satish Gujral, he is also a painter, but he started his career as architect and sculptor. Okay. Then so that is Raja Ravi Verma. So he is also a painter. He started his career by starting the basics of the painting. So he started learning the basics of the painting. And M.F. Hussain, so he started his career as painter. Okay, remember this. He started his career as painter of cinema hoardings. Okay, so the answer is M.F. Hussain. So artist who started his career as a painter is M.F. Hussain. Okay, remember this. These three are started as one as architect, one as book illustrator, and one as the started the basic of the paintings. Okay, remember this. This answer is M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain started his career as painter of the cinema hoardings. Next question. Inflation implies options are A, rise in the prices of the consumer goods, B, rise in the money supply, C, rise in the general price index, D, rise in the budget deficit. So what is inflation means? That is rise in the general price index. Okay, so it is inflation means that decline of the purchasing the power of over time. Okay, so it is implied as decline of the purchasing power over time. So rise in the prices of the most of the goods and services like daily common used food, clothing, then transport, consumers, like that. It will be rise in the prices. Okay, so the inflation measures the average prices. What is that? Average price change in the basket of commodities and service over time. Remember this. So inflation measures the average in the basket of commodities and service over time. Okay, next one. Main source of India's national income is options are A, industry, B, agriculture, C, services, D, foreign trade. So the main source of India's national income is, that is agriculture. Okay, remember this. So agriculture sector employs the more than the 50% of the population. Okay, 50% of the population. So it is the main source of the India's national income. Whereas service sector, it contributes the 50% of the GDP. Okay, so it contributes the 50% of the GDP. Main source is that agriculture. So 50% of the population employed by the agriculture, and more number of the people in India are supported by the agriculture. Remember this, main source. Okay, main source. Remember this. This is the answer. Okay, whereas services contributes the 50% of the GDP. Okay, next one. Who is the author of the Principles of Economics? Options are A, Alfred Marshall, B, Adam Smith, C, Cassio Royal, D, John Hicks. So Principles of Economics was written by which one? Alfred Marshall. Okay, so he is the British economist. Okay, so principle of economics, it means the introduction of the economics. Okay, so it was the text book by the Harvard professor, which is that principle of economics. It is the textbook by the Harvard professor, that is N. George Mankiw. Okay, so he released that book on 1997 with 9 editions. Okay, 9 editions. Remember this. Okay, next one. How many members the President of India can nominate to Rajya Sabha? How many members the President of India can nominate to Rajya Sabha? The options are A 6, B 9, C 12, D 15. So the answer is 12. Okay. So Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. So the membership is limited to 250 members. Okay. 250 members. In that 12 are nominated by the president. 12 are nominated by the president for their contribution in, which is that, art, literature, science and social work. Okay. So 12 are elected for their services in art, literature, science and social services. Okay. Remember this. Next one. The Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of. The Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of. Options are A. Assam, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. West Bengal. So the answer is Assam. So Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is in Assam, that is in Guwahati. Okay. So Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is the national park. Okay. Declared as national park in 1928. Okay. So and it is also UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay. As for Tiger Reserve and Elephant Reserve. Remember this. So, and this park is known for rare and endangered wildlife like what is that? Assam roofed turtle, then golden langur, then hispid hare, etc. So it is famous for the wild water buffalo. Okay, remember this. So it is famous for the population of the wild water buffalo. So remember this, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is located at Assam in Guwahati. So it is the national park declared on 1928. So it is also UNESCO World Heritage Site for Tiger Reserve and Elephant Reserve. Okay. Next, the heaviest planet revolving around the sun. The heaviest revolving planet around the sun. Okay, the options are A. Moon, B. Jupiter, C. Neptune, D. Pluto. And the answer is obviously that Jupiter. Okay, so Jupiter is the heaviest planet revolving around the sun. So this has mass more than the 300 times of Earth. Okay, Earth, remember this. So that means 11.2 times bigger than Earth. So it is the largest and the heaviest planet in the solar system. Okay, diameter is 1,40,000 kilometer. Okay. So in the next one is Saturn, then Uranus, Neptune, then Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury. Okay. Mercury is the least heaviest planet revolving around the sun. Okay. Next one. Rial is the currency of. Rial is the currency of. Options are A. Romania, B. Iran, C. Japan, D. Libya. So the answer is which one? Rial is the currency of Iran. Okay. So similarly, what is the currency of Romania? That is Romanian leu. Okay. Similarly, Japan is yen. Okay. Libya is Libyan dinar. Okay. Remember this. Rial is the currency of Iran. Next one. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of. Options are A. USA, B. Canada, C. Ireland, D. UK. So the answer is Canada. So Indian federal system based on the Canadian model. Okay. So it resembles the Canadian Federation. Okay. Indian Federation resembles to the Canadian Federation. So whereas idea of preamble. So it is borrowed from the Constitution of USA. Remember this. Idea of preamble borrowed from the Constitution of USA, whereas Indian Federation system of the Constitution borrowed from the Canadian Federation. Okay, remember this. Which country is called as the land of rising sun? Which country is called the land of rising sun? The options are A. China, B. Japan, C. Korea, D. Vietnam. So the answer is Japan. So why it is called as land of rising sun? So actual meaning of Japan in Japanese is that Nihon. Okay. So it is called as Nihon. So Nihon means sun origin. Okay. So it is translated as the land of rising sun. So Japan is called as land of rising sun. Remember this. Next one. Consumer Protection Act 1986 came into effect on. Consumer Protection Act 1986 came into effect on. Options are A. 14 July, B. 15 June, C. 1st June, D. 24th December. So Consumer Protection Act 1986 came into effect on when? That is 1st June. That is 1st June 1986. So this act enacted in the 1986 to protect the interests of the consumers of the India. So to protect the interest of the consumers in India. Okay, remember this. Next one. What is the national sports of China? Options are A. Table tennis, B. Carom, C. Cricket, D. Volleyball. So that is table tennis. This is not official sport, but they call it as the national sports of China. Okay, next one. Mahabharata war lasted for how many days? Dash days. How Mahabharata war lasted for dash days. Okay. Options are 18, B 21, C 24, D 20, 32. That is option A, that is 18 days. Okay. So 18 days. Remember this. Next one. Grapevine is the term used in the relation to. Grapevine is the term used in relation to A. Formal commission, B. Informal commission, C. Both formal and informal communication, D. Interpersonal communication. So the answer is, that is informal communication, B. Okay. So informal communication means the people will communicate within the organization. They communicate at the personal level. Okay. Level, that is called as informal communication. Whereas the formal communication is that they communicate through formal channel. Okay. Grapevine means informal communication. Next one, the highest gallantry award given in India is. The highest gallantry award given in India is. Options are A. Bhatnagar Award, B. Arjuna Award, C. Veer Chakra Award, D. Param Veer Chakra Award. So the answer is Param Veer Chakra Award. So it is given for the displaying the courage in the face of the hostile force. Okay. So Param Veer Chakra is the highest gallantry award given in India. Whereas second one is Mahavir Chakra. Okay. Third one is Veer Chakra. That is third one. This is second one. This is first. This is third. Okay. Veer Chakra. Whereas Arjuna Award is given to the which one? That is sports. Okay. Remember this. For this is which is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award is given to the science and technology. Okay. Remember this. First one is Paramveer Chakra, second one is Mahavir Chakra, third one is Veer Chakra. Then Arjuna Award given to sports, then Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award given to the science and technology. Okay. Remember this. Okay. Next one. Reserve Bank of India is A. Central Bank, B. Commercial Bank, C. Cooperative Bank, D. Lead Bank. So the answer is Central Bank. Central Bank, Reserve Bank of India is also called as Central Bank of India. Okay. Established in when? April 1st, 1935. Okay. By the following act of the RBI Act of 1934. So it was established on 1st April 1935 following the act of the RBI 1935. So currently the governor of RBI is who? Who's that? Shaktikant Das. Okay. Retired IAS officer. Remember this. Next one. The minimum age for being eligible to become Prime Minister of India is. So the minimum age for being eligible to become the Prime Minister of India is. Options are A. 21 years, B. 25 years, C. 35 years and D. 55 years. So the answer is 25 years if he is the member of Lok Sabha. Okay. For Rajya Sabha, that is 30 years. If he is the member of Rajya Sabha, he will be eligible for 30 years, and if he is a member of Lok Sabha, he will be eligible for 25 years. Remember this. Next one. From which language the word Itihas originated? From which language the word Itihas is originated? The options are A. Sanskrit, B. Hindi, C. Kannada, D. English. So the answer is Sanskrit. Remember this. Itihas means history. Okay. Which one of the following is not treated as the part of Indian Constitution? Which one of the following is not treated as the part of the Indian Constitution? The options are A. Preamble, B. Fundamental rights, C. Directive principles of state policy, D. Fundamental duties. The answer is Preamble. So why Preamble? Preamble is the introduction or summary of the Constitution. Okay, remember this, it is only introduction and or the summary of the Constitution, whereas the fundamental rights is the part 3 of the Constitution. Okay, part 3 of the Constitution, whereas article from article 12 to 35. Okay, remember this, whereas directive principles of state policy is part 4. Okay, from article 36 to 51. Then the fundamental duties is the part 4a. Okay, part 4a, which is 51a article. Okay, remember this, these are the part of the Indian Constitution, and preamble is the introduction or the summary of the Constitution. Remember this. Which of the following union territories has its territorial areas spread in 3 states? Which of the following union territories has its territorial areas spread in 3 states? The options are A. Chandigarh, B. Delhi, C. Lakshadweep, D. Puducherry. So the answer is Puducherry. Okay. So why is that? So it is spread over 3 states, that is Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Okay. So the thing is, they spread over like this. Okay, remember Puducherry district, I'll write it in this color. Okay, Puducherry district and Karikal district is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, one part of Puducherry. Okay, then second one as Yanam district is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, second part of the Puducherry, and the third one is in Kerala, that is Mahe. So these are the 3 territorial areas of Puducherry. One is in Tamil Nadu, one is in Andhra Pradesh, and one is in Kerala. So Puducherry district and Karikal district is in Tamil Nadu, whereas Enam district in Andhra Pradesh and Mahe in Kerala. Okay, remember this main thing. Next one, study of earthquakes is called as. Study of earthquakes is called as A. Virology, B. Oceanography, C. Seismology, D. Earthometry. So the answer is, which is that? Seismology. Seismology is the study of earthquakes. So what is virology? Virology is the study of viruses. Okay, so whereas oceanography is the study of oceans. Remember this, scientific study of oceans. There is no earthometry. Okay, next one, what is the normal pulse rate per minute of an adult human being? What is the normal pulse rate per minute of an adult human being? Options are A. 70 times, B. 72 times, C. 68 times, D. 77 times. So the answer is 72 times. Okay, that is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Okay. World Health Day is observed on. World Health Day is observed on A. June 5, B. April 7, C. June 7, D. July 11. So the answer is April 7. Okay, remember this. The theme for 2022 was, I will write it here, theme. Okay, what is that? Our planet, our health. Okay, this was the theme of 2022. Remember this, and it was found on 1948. Okay, World Health Day. Remember this. This was celebrated on April 7th. The theme of 2022 is our planet, our health. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment below. If you have queries regarding any other subjects, you can go through our channel. There are other faculties videos as well. Thank you.